Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we're going to cover the 13P project in the Elecrow Crowtail STEAM Edu Kit for Microbit Kit, Unsocial Boy, and how to use the Microbit to create a boy that simulates a boy who doesn't like to be approached. In this project, we will use Microbit's ultrasonic sensor and LED lights to simulate a boy's emotions. Depending on the distance to others, Microbit will light up different color LEDs to indicate his feelings. First, we need to prepare the following components. Here, ultrasound is the first time we use it. An ultrasonic sensor is a device that uses ultrasonic signals for distance detection and measurement. It works by emitting high-frequency sound waves and receiving the echoes of these waves as they are reflected back after encountering an obstacle. The working principle of ultrasonic sensors is based on the relationship between the speed of propagation of sound waves and time, and can be used to measure distances, flow rates, liquid levels, etc. Next, we will start writing the program. Open the MakeCode programming interface and follow the steps below. Click on Extensions, search for, and add the sonar package to your MakeCode. Create a variable to store the distance detected by the ultrasonic sensor and set the unit to centimeters. Set up the program so that when the distance detected by the ultrasonic sensor exceeds 100 km, the green LED lights up to indicate that this is a comfortable distance, and the green LED lights up. When the distance is between 50 centimeters and 100 centimeters, the yellow LED lights up to indicate that the distance is slightly uncomfortable. When the distance is less than 50 centimeters, the red LED lights up, indicating that the boy is feeling very uncomfortable because the others are too close. Okay, the program is done. Let's download the program into Microbit and run it to see the effect. Reacted accordingly when at different distances. Very good. The program was successful. In addition, we have a challenge task. Try to make a more social boy using ultrasonic sensors and RGB LEDs. When someone approaches him, the RGB LED flashes and the LED screen shows a smiling face. The boy is happy to make friends with you. You can build it according to the hardware connection shown. I hope you learn how to use ultrasonic sensors and LEDs to express emotions through this project. We will continue to explore more Microbit fun projects next time. If you like this video, please like, follow, and share it. We'll see you in the next installment. Thank you all.